I love my teachers.
I love my teachers. I love my teachers.
I love my teachers. Because they are telling us wow stories. Because they help me get faster in science and mathematics.
Because they're super duper funny and super duper nice. Because they love me. Because they protected us. I love my teachers because they are sweet like this chocolate. They are funny. I love my teachers because they have a big car. I just love them. They help me to be a pilot. Because they work hard. They are cool. They are not afraid to be goofy.
They are funny. They teach me English.
They are patient.
They make me feel safe. They are smart.
They teach me how to eat.
They teach me awesome sports.
My teachers are the greatest teachers ever. I love my teachers because they are sweet and marvelous.
I love my teachers because they make a fun when I go to school.
Fam school is my heart.